Hello everyone, welcome back to spaceforedit. She is back. She's back with a brand new video. It's the festive season, so we're giving it a bit of a festive twist. I've got some lights out. I've got the red jumper, red lips, my earrings. Oh, it's all nice and lovely. Dreaming of a white Christmas. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But anyways, I'm sorry for the absence. Sometimes you just have to take a little time off, because it turns out it's a bit hard to do a full-time job as an interior designer and then come home on weeknights and your weekends and do videos about interior design and edit them and post them and stay sane at the same time. So sorry about that. And hopefully soon I will be able to catch up with everything and deliver new videos every week. But until then, make sure you hit the bell, hit the subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Today we are picking up right where we left off, and that was space planning tips. Now we already have looked at a co-working space, so make sure you check out that video. I'm gonna leave it somewhere in the cards up there and in the description below. Go check it out, lots of good tips there. In that video we looked at a plan, but today, OMG, today we are going to be taking it up into 3D, and I will be serving you some visuals. It's gonna be amazing. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna be doing a bit of a voiceover situation now, and yeah, let's get cracking. Ew. Well, hello there, Pinterest board. So I have put together a look and feel board in Pinterest. You are free to check it out. Check out the info box below for the link to that. Also feel free to follow if you wish. So back to the look and feel for this project. So this hotel is more of a boutique hotel, so it's got a lot of character, a lot of style, and people that are going here or staying here really appreciate all the detail and design of these places. So I have put together a bit of an eclectic mix, a bit of boho, a bit of texture, quite a lot of opulent details like velvets, very rich in color and material. So I'm going for a bit of a worn out look, but still looking quite fresh, not too industrial. It needs to feel soft and welcoming. Okay, so let's just have a minute and talk about the floor plan. So as you can see, we've got the ground floor, quite a big space, open plan, and straight away as you come in you can see the reception desk, but you have to kind of walk through the space to get there, and as you are walking through you are slowly taking it in. You see all the features around you. You've got booth seating to the left hand side, as well as sofas and armchairs, so quite a comfy area to the left. And to the right you've got more like a sharing table, again a bit more of a loungy area. So you kind of get the vibe of it as you walk in, and this is what we want to achieve in a boutique style hotel. It's all about the experience and service. As you reach the reception desk you get served, you check in, and to the right side you can see the sharing table and a coffee station. So it's self-help, coffee, drinks, teas, really kind of relaxed atmosphere where visitors can just take a moment and relax, or even if they come in groups they can sit down and have a quick meeting or a quick catch up. And as you move through the space past the drink station, there's even more kind of a tucked away areas that are naturally kind of becoming these meeting spaces, or just a private space away from everything else. And then at the very far end you can see there is an area with a large round table, which is perfect again for meetings, for group conversations. So this first ground floor, it's not just a reception, it's not just a chill out lounge, it has got a purpose, and that's what a lot of clients are currently asking for. They want to see their spaces being used, they want them to be lively, which again just creates the reputation of the business. So while the SketchUp model is building itself up in the background, Let's just go back to the checklist that we looked at the last video. So first of all, you need to look at what type of space it is. That was the first question we need to answer. So I have already given you the vibe that this is a boutique hotel. We are dealing with a reception area, so quite a lot of traffic. It's the face of the business. The first things that people will see is going to be that reception area, the lounge, the opulence, the boutique-ness of it. So we've got that covered. The second thing you need to touch on is the people who will be using the space. And again, in order to really nail down the concept and the flow of the space, you need to understand what are the people looking for in the space, what could they do in the daily routine. And that's why I have sort of incorporated all these little nooks and crannies and hideaways and meeting areas that are really multifunctional and welcoming. And then we are moving on to the company, and again you need to think about the brand, what are their main messages and how can you incorporate this into the interior. In this scenario you can obviously see that this is a boutique hotel, so they want all the character, all the quirkiness, and regarding the space planning, it needs to be welcoming, as that is the essence of the business. And last but not least, you have to go through the client's brief in detail and ensure that you have ticked all the boxes. In our scenario, we were asked to design a space that is multifunctional, has got an edge to it. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. I'm going to shut up right now. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. Right, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it as always. Any suggestions, any thoughts, any comments, let me know down below in the comment section. I really enjoyed working on this project, even though it was after hours and it does take a lot of time to build up a full design like this, but I really wanted to just deliver something different. And as a commercial designer, you don't really get a lot of opportunity to work on these kind of quirky spaces and kind of just let your imagination go. So Even though it's not something super daring, I still really enjoyed working with different colour schemes and different materials and just going a bit over the edge and a bit out of the box, if I may say so. And I hope that everyone is enjoying the festive season with all the lovely things that it comes with, and just remember that it's not all about the presents or the amount of food you will have on the table or the amount of parties you will go to. Just invest some time in yourself and recharge your batteries so you are ready to go in 2019. Lots of great things coming up on this channel. So I hope you stay tuned, I hope you subscribe and follow everywhere. Really, really appreciate everyone who is here and everyone who is liking and commenting. Thank you so much. It really helps a lot, and it keeps me sane and keeps me going, and it ensures that someone is listening and someone really cares. So I hope you have a lovely Christmas. I don't know if I will be seeing you before 2019. So until next video, bye.